Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Balpim Devde. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in JHSM College. And today's video topic is a class, objects, and different types of the access modifier present in the Java. First, we see the what is mean by class, and then the second we can see the what is mean by objects and use of the objects and how to create the objects. And then we can see the all these access modifier present into the Java and how to use of the different types of the access modifier and how to achieve the accessibility by using the different access modifier. The first we can see the class. Class is a blueprint of the object. Means it is a class is a group of the object, also called as a group of the object. Means the different types of the object are present into the class. The class we can use to the by using class we can create different types of the method are present into the class. The first method is always present into the class is a main method, and then the other predefined as well as all different types of the method are we can create into the class. Then we can also create the constructor as well as abstract class we can create by using to the abstract keywords, and then the interface also created into the class. Then the nested class also created into the class. Then we can achieve the accessibility one class to another class. We can create the object. This we can see the what is meant by object. Object and entity. It is a provide. It is a also a state, and it is also his own behavior. Means it is as a it's present into logical as well as a physical. This is called as a object. The how to create the object. We can create the object. First we take a class name. That's class we can create the that class we can create the object. This class name we can first take, and then we can any reference variable. This reference variable we can refer, and then we can take a equal to, and new keyword are used to the provide the memory into the new keyword you can use to the provide memory into the all this data. And then also the constructor also use the constructor method. This constructor method are used to the initialize the constructor as well as instantiate the object by using to the constructor. It is a method is used to transfer data from constructor to object also used. And then by using method we can create the copy from this class, and we can provide the accessibility, and it is by using to the object we can achieve the hiding the data. Because of we can create object don't show the any backend implementation, only can calling the this method, and we can achieve the reusability of the code. Then we can see the different types of the access modifier present into the Java. The Java are also 4 types of the access modifier present into the Java. The first is a public access modifier, then the second is a private access modifier, then protected access modifier, and then the default access modifier. The default access modifier are used to the default access modifier only used into the class as well as to the package. Then we can use to the public access modifier. This public access modifier we can use to the as well as class into class as well as into the package, and other word also used to the public access modifier. Then protected access modifier used to the in the class as well as subclass, then the use into the package, and it is not useful into the words. Then the private access modifier, it is only used into the class, and then it is not you provide the access to the other package as well as subclass, and then the class, and then the other other words. Then we can create by using the access modifier. We can access modifier we can use to the as variable as well as the methods. The We can access modify using to the create the variable. This will be we can create the public variable. This public variable are also accessible into the class as well as into the subclass and subclass, and then the other classes and packages and words. It is accessible to the anywhere. Then we can create protected to the this protected variable are used accessible into the class as well as subclass and package. It is not accessible into the words. Then we can create it the private. This private we can use to the create the private data. That's the reason it is only for accessible only into the this class, but it is not accessible to the other package as subclass and words. Then we can use to the fourth access modifier is default access modifier. This default access modifier are used into the only into the class as well as to the package. It is used by using to the access modifier. We can create the different types of the access methods to the it provide the accessibility, and as well as we can create the method as a public, private, protected and default. And then same like we can create a constructor as a public and private. Public are created, but we can don't create it as a constructor as a private, because of the we can create the constructor as a private. This constructor does not any accessibility to the one class to other class. That's the reason we don't create the constructor as a private. Then we can also create the default constructor. This default constructor automatically generated into the class by through the calling the object. It is all about to the accessibility of the access modifier. Then the second we can use to the access modifier as well as class also use to the access modifier. When we use the access modifier to the class, this this class is accessible to the we can use the public access modifier to the class. This class is accessible only class to the subclass, and then the other package and words, but we can create private, and this class is only accessible to the this class and protected. It is one can create the class as a protected. This is accessible by only subclass and then package. It is not accessible into the word. It is all about to the access modifier and class and object. So it is. So let's thank you and take care.